If you're sitting at your 9 to 5 right now, drained, staring at the clock, and wondering if there's more out there, there is. So in this video, I'm breaking down 3 virtual assistant niches that are making folks some real money, all while giving them their time and peace back. Welcome back to my business vibe, where I help 9 to 5ers who are looking for time freedom and money freedom through real side hustles and legit business ideas. If you're trying to escape the rat race and finally start building a life that makes sense to you, you're in the right place. So let's start with, what is a virtual assistant, or VA? It's basically someone who gets paid to support businesses and entrepreneurs remotely. You might handle emails, manage schedules, help with customer service, and etc. It'll really depend on the business and your specialty. So what are the benefits of starting a VA business? No overhead, no inventory, and you can do it from your own couch. You can start part-time and grow at your own pace. And with the right niche, you're not chasing clients, they're finding you. Now, I gotta say this. Don't jump into the VA world trying to do everything. That's how people get overwhelmed and underpaid. Niching down is how you'll stand out, charge more, and work less. When you specialize in something that's in demand, businesses will pay you to do that one thing because you're the go-to expert, and that's how you win. So VA niche number 1, e-commerce support. These VAs help online stores run smoother. That includes managing customer inquiries through chat or email, handling returns, updating product listings, and helping boost conversion rates. So you'll need basic customer service skills, be familiar with platforms like Shopify, Etsy, and Amazon. Good communication skills will definitely be important. Some understanding of automation tools, such as CRMs and task management tools like Trello or Spark. You can start by freelancing on platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, or reaching out to small brands on Instagram and Facebook. Now, once you've got a few clients under your belt, here's how you can grow your business. Turn your services into packages. Start tracking what saves them time and boosts their sales. That's how you'll increase your value. And eventually, you can scale your business by building a small team of VAs under you and take on more stores. This is when you'll become the agency instead of the assistant. VA niche number 2, real estate virtual assistant. These VAs help busy real estate agents stay on track. They're scheduling showings, managing listings, posting on platforms like Zillow, doing data entry, and following up with leads. So you'll definitely need admin skills, automation tools for scheduling, something like Calendly. Be familiar with real estate software like MLS, clear and professional communication. You can start by reaching out to agents on LinkedIn or Facebook groups and pitch them your support services. They're always busy and they'll always need help, especially solo agents. Once you get a feel for their systems and you're ready to grow, offer ongoing retainer packages, weekly or monthly admin support. Eventually, you can niche down even more with this niche, like becoming a transaction coordinator. You'll manage everything from contracts to deadlines, which are pivotal for deals to close smoothly. So a certification isn't always required, but in some states, being certified or having a real estate license is needed. So for training, begin with a solid course. Learn the transaction timeline and consider shadowing a real agent to gain real-world insights. Then create your offer and market it to busy agents. Or again, build a team and become a real estate VA agency. VA niche number 3, social media and community management. These VAs help creators, coaches, and brands run their social presence. That could mean writing captions, scheduling posts, replying to comments, or managing Facebook groups. So you'll need to know tools like Canva, which is a big one, content planning, engagement strategies, and social media tools like Buffer or Hootsuite. You want to start with small creators at first. DM them on Instagram or TikTok. Introduce your and pitch your services. Market yourself on those same platforms by posting content about the services you offer. Build a content calendar system and show your results, like increased engagement or saved time. You can grow and scale by creating templates and digital planners and sell them and offer them as a package deal. And of course, eventually you can hire a team and build a mini agency. So, as I always say, don't try to go at starting a business alone. You don't have to. Learn from people who've already done it. So I've linked some trainings and resources in the description, so go ahead and check those out as well. And if you've made it this far in the video, thanks so much for watching. If this information has helped you in any way, please give it a like, drop a comment with the niche you're interested in, and subscribe if you're ready to start building your time freedom. As always, thank you so much for vibing with me. Until next time.